In today's video, I'll be showing you guys how to build an AI-powered social media manager that will automatically reply to your Instagram comments. This is going to save you hours every week from replying to comments, keeping your audience engaged, and boosting your social media presence effortlessly. I'll guide you through the entire process in make.com, so if you want to follow along, sign up using the link down below. Let's get started. So the first thing we'll see after signing into make.com is our organization board. Now, if you just signed up for make.com, you will only have 1,000 operations. But if you do plan on using this a lot, make sure you upgrade because you get 10,000 operations. That's 10 times the operations. So what we want to do now is click create new scenario in the top right. Once we've opened our new scenario, we'll be greeted with this page. This plus means to add a module. A module is a function used from one of these apps that are listed, and there's an endless amount of them. But today we'll be using the Instagram one, the ChatGPT one, and then the Instagram one again. So what we want to do first, since we're creating an agent for Instagram, is find the Instagram module. And since we want the scenario to activate every time someone comments on their Instagram account, we want to press show more. And then what we want to do is set a trigger, and a trigger is what starts the scenario off. So what we want to do is watch events on Instagram. We'll click this. Now, in order for this to work, you have to connect your Instagram page, so you can do that now. Once you've connected your Instagram page, you want to create a webhook. And what this does is connects your Instagram page in order to watch the specific comments. So you can also do it for mentions, you could also do it for story insights. But today we'll be doing comments because we want to get the comment in that is being commented on our posts. So once we selected comments and the account we want to use, click save, let it load, and now save your webhook. And you can test it out by saying running once and then commenting on the Instagram that you want. I'm going to comment test number 1 and send it. So there we go. We can see that the text is test number 1 from this username, and the type of video or post it was a reel. So once we've set this up, we want to go plus, open AI, create a completion. This is in order for us to get the comment response that we want to send out. And in order to connect your OpenAI account, you might have a pop-up that says connect account. And once you've already connected your account, you can connect your API. So press add to a new one. This will pop up. So once you've opened this, you want to get your API key from OpenAI, and you would want to go to platform.openai, open up your profile, and then look for an API key. So on the left-hand side, you will have API keys right here. So click one, create new secret key, and then copy that address into your make.com scenario. Also make sure that your billing is set and you have at least $1 on the account. So once we're back here and we make our OpenAI connection, we'll choose model, ChatGPT 4.0. And once this loads, we want to give messages to ChatGPT. So what we'll do is press add message, system role. This will tell the system what its role is. Now, for the sake of this video, I'm just going to do a basic prompt, but if you want to make it more customized, just change the prompt and then the AI will have more context on how it should respond to comments. So once we set up this system prompt, you can copy mine if you want by pausing the video. We want to set up a user prompt, and this will tell ChatGPT what person commented and what the comment was. So in order to map this, you want to take it from here, from Instagram, the username that commented, and add an @ so ChatGPT knows how to tag them. And then you want to add the comment, which is the text. And then what we'll do is press save, and then we'll do run once. I'm going to comment hi ChatGPT and see what happens. And then I'm sending the comment hi ChatGPT, and I'm sending it. And now the comment should come through this one and then get transferred here. And then ChatGPT will come up with a reply that we'll see right now. This is the reply. It said, hey there. So for my prompt, it'll match the tone of whoever commented. So if someone's asking a question, it'll reply to the question. And if someone's just being nice, someone can joke around, it will reply based on the tone that the person is commenting in. So before we move on, we want to set up a filter to make sure that when the account replies, it doesn't reply to itself over and over and over again. So what we want to do is open it up here, go to text operators, not equal to, and then we'll do the username, and then we'll put the username of the account we're using. In this case, it'll be storytime.with AI. We'll press save. And what this does is it makes sure only other people commenting will run through this scenario and get a comment back. Because if the AI comments and then reads its own comment and then comments back again and reads its own, it will just keep going and repeating and repeating. And we don't want that. So what we want to do is set up this filter in order to prevent that. Now that we've set up the filter, the next thing we want to do is make sure that we actually reply on Instagram with the comment that ChatGPT generated. So what we want to do is press the Instagram module, scroll down, create a comment. So after we've done this, what we want to do is create a new module, open up Instagram, create a reply, comment ID. What we want to do is go back to this first module right here. You see how it's glowing over there once I hover over it. Copy the comment ID, paste it, and then go to the message, choices, message, content. And this will make it so we can reply through Instagram automatically with the message that ChatGPT connected. And this will make it so we can reply directly on Instagram with the message that ChatGPT came up with. Press save, click run once. So once we've set it up and pressed run once, we'll go to the account, write a comment, and what we're going to comment is tell me a joke. Now, I'm not going to do it from the same account that we made it because then it won't go through, remember, because we made it so the filter stops it from repeating over and over again. So you have to comment from a different account in order to test this. So here we go. We'll press comments. Hi, comma, tell me a joke. There we go. Came in, comment. Now to just make sure, we could see here, it's from my account. Hi, tell me a joke. Perfect. ChatGPT. But anyways, there's a joke that I made. And then we can go here, message. The joke is right here. In order for us to map it, we'll go here. Input is a comment ID. And then it commented this message. And just to show you guys that it worked, we'll go on Instagram and refresh it. Go back to the post. Hi. Go to replies, and here we go. It automatically commented it. Now, in order for this to be active all the time, we want to press immediately as data arrive, save, and it is saved. And now you could just leave it alone and ChatGPT will reply to all your comments. Now, this tool will not replace a full-time social media manager. It'll only help you reply to comments, but it's helpful when people have quick questions that you want to answer without spending time on doing it. And this is just one of thousands of automations you can create. You can manage posting, you can manage content creation, you can manage a lot of things on social media using AI. Now, when it comes to making things on make.com, I feel like this is the easiest platform to get used to, at least for the beginners. And once you've gotten used to the platform, you can move on to N8N. And then if you want to get super custom with it, you can start coding. But overall, I think make.com is the best for its pricing and ease of use. So if you haven't signed up yet, make sure you use the link below to get free operations and make your first AI automation. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.